Good morning. My topic is like a presentation on five kingdom classification. So, talking about five kingdom classification, it was proposed by R.H. Whittaker in 1969. And now talking about the criteria of classification, criteria is something what basis the classification has been done. So the number one is the complexity of cell structure. That is, if the cell is a prokaryote or a eukaryotic cell. Secondly, it is complexity of organisms like unicellular or multicellular organisms. Then mode of nutrition like autotrophs or heterotrophs or ingestion like saprobic absorption or ingestion. And the lifestyles also. Next, the like the five kingdoms are like Monera or prokaryote, then Protista, then fungi, Plantae, and Animalia. This is the classification of all the five kingdoms. Monera or prokaryote, what are they? Let's talk about them. This kingdom includes all unicellular and prokaryotic organisms that lack a well-defined nucleus and membrane-bound organelles. Bacteria occur everywhere and they are macroscopic in nature. They possess a cell wall formed of amino acids and polysaccharides. Bacteria can be autotrophic or heterotrophic. They are both autotrophic and heterotrophic. Reproduction that's asexual in this, that is binary fission. Only one parent is involved. Subgroups Archaebacteria and Eubacteria. Example bacteria and blue-green algae. Now talking about Protista, they are unicellular and eukaryotic organisms. Some of them have pseudopodia, cilia, and flagella for motility. They possess autotrophic and heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Protista reproduce mostly asexually and sexually with cell fusion and zygote formation. Examples are amoeba, euglena, and paramecium. Now, fungi. Fungi, they are unicellular and multicellular eukaryotic organisms. The filamentous fungi comprises of slender, long thread-like constructions called hyphae. The mass of hyphae is called mycelium. The cell wall of fungi is composed of polysaccharides and chitin. They are distinct from plants that they do not produce chlorophyll. Fungi are heterotrophic. Most of the fungi are saprophytes. Some fungi are symbiont and parasites. For example, yeast are unicellular and molds and mushrooms are multicellular. Then the Plantae kingdom. The kingdom Plantae consists of multicellular eukaryotes which have chloroplast. They are autotrophic in nature. The cell wall mainly comprises of cellulose. They exhibit high level of tissue differentiation and specialized body organs. Plants reproduce through asexual vegetative propagation and sexual methods, like plants. Now talking about Animalia. The kingdom includes multicellular eukaryotes and lack cell wall. They are heterotrophic in nature. The animals are directly or indirectly dependent on foods and plants. Their mode of nutrition is holozoic, that is, ingestion. Many of the animals are adept of locomotion. They reproduce by sexual mode of reproduction. Insects, animals, birds, humans. Now, this is some, you can say, classification on the basis of all the criteria. And this is a pie chart showing all the five kingdoms. Thank you.